welcome to Kitchen Kids, the most intense cookery show we show on TV. Today we have two brave contestants battling for their kitchen honour. So let's meet them.
Hi everyone, we are the Red Apple team. We learned to cook in the valleys of Italy where we became professional chefs. Today we will be cooking a tasty home meal wrap. Inside the wrap we have some hummus, crunchy carrot and green peppery rocket, all skillfully made with love and care. Hi, we are both the green team. We are trained to cook in the Highlands of Scotland. If we win, we will make our master proud. Today we will also be making a delicious wrap
with creamy mayonnaise. Ours will also have some scrumptious ham alongside some rushed cheese.
To top it off, we will use some crunchy green lettuce.
As you can see, our chefs are already preparing the food. So will their food be amazingly tasty, or will they go home as disgraced chefs? There's only one way to find out. Ready, steady, cook!
Place your whole meal wrap on a plate so it's easier to spread the hummus. Next, carefully sprinkle some carrot and rocket evenly over the wrap. After that, roll up your wrap to make it easy to eat. Finally, cut out your wrap in half so that it is ready to serve. Take your wrap and lay it flat on a nice clean plate before spreading some creamy mayonnaise. Next, place your ham and sprinkle your cheese evenly over your wrap. After that, finish your filling with some crunchy green lettuce. Finally, roll your wrap and cut it in the middle. When you're happy with it, serve this delicious snack immediately. We have made sure that our oven is low in fat. This is good because too much fat can cause heart problems in later life. We have also made sure that we have plenty nutrients from the carrots and the rocket. We have used some lovely ham as it is a great source of protein which helps your muscles grow. We have also included the cheese as it is a source of calcium which helps keep our bones and teeth healthy.